White Clam Pizza. I want my mom to kind of show us how it's done. So take it away, G. I'll be your humble assistant.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit here and kind of stretch the pizza dough out onto the sheet pan, and you're gonna make the clam mixture for the pizza.
Tell us how it's done, G.
Okay, so we have about a cup of canned clams. This can be done with fresh clams. You can chop them. And you reserve some of the clam juice from the canned clams and some grated garlic cloves. Three or four, if you like garlic. And some fresh oregano.
Yum, yum.
The next thing is a little bit of
Crushed red pepper flakes.
crushed red pepper flakes.
Ooh, I like the look of this.
Some salt, some pepper. Oh, we put olive oil in this too. A little bit of olive oil.
Hey, listen, forgetting ingredients is like the way we do things around here. So you are among
Couple of
friends.
good shakes of olive oil. Okay, you want to put a little olive oil
Sure.
there and brush it around.
A drizzle. And then I'm brushing the olive oil. Do you like to get the olive oil on the rim too, so it's nice and greasy and oily?
Yeah,
Okay.
looks good.
All right, I got that oiled. Now what?
Okay, a little mozzarella. You do that one.
You want to help?
And after the mozzarella comes the either Parmigiano Romano or Pecorino Romano, which I think this
Parmigiano Reggiano or Pecorino Romano.
Yes, for sure. Okay, there you go. Whoops, a little bit more.
Okay, gee, that looks so good so
Is that
far.
enough cheese for you?
Well, no, but it's fine. Okay, so how do you get the clams scattered over?
Well,
Show us your technique.
We're about to find out.
Basically, you want to kind of scatter
Right, you wanted
evenly.
it scattered as much as possible,
So every
evenly
piece-
over the crust.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so you bake yours at 500 on a pizza stone. I'm gonna do like 450 just to make sure the
Okay.
bread dough doesn't burn. So I'm gonna get this in the oven for you, since I'm your assistant. All right?
Thank you very
And
much.
What would you say? How long?
Well, when I do it 500, it's 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
So maybe 12 to 15?
Okay. Gee.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
It looks perfect.
Yes.
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 Yes. This looks, oh, it smells so good. Gosh, that really reminds me, I need to put more garlic on my pizzas. I mean, the smell of this pizza. So get it onto
Yeah.
the board.
Goodness.
That looks incredible. So how do you like to finish it when it comes out of the oven?
Well, you can sprinkle more cheese. Definitely more cheese.
I
on top
support that decision.
while it's hot.
Mm-hmm.
And you want to do something with those oregano leaves.
Yes.
And then,
Artfully place them.
whoops.
Oh, this looks great. What about more crushed red pepper flakes?
Yeah. Or, yeah. Yes. As you serve, or you can put these in a little dish and.
Oh, and then everybody can add to taste.
Yeah, so we won't do too much.
This looks incredible,
My
G.
gosh.
It looks perfect.
This came from you. This may be our new favorite pizza. Who wants to try a bite?
Me.
Oh, good. You guys are adventurous. It's not pepperoni.
Come in here and grab a bite, guys.
I feel so left out.
Get on in
Good,
here.
Alex.
Ooh, I'm so
I want your
excited to
opinion.
try.
I want to try.
Yum. Oh my gosh, I literally feel so left out right now. I'm sorry. I'm still here.
Paige,
Oh my gosh.
what do you think?
That is incredible.
You like it? Great.
really good.
Uh-huh.
It's so garlicky and flavorful.
Okay.
I love the flavor.
Gee, it worked wonders.
That's so good.
Oh my gosh.
Cheers.
This is a 10 out of 10. I love it.